Warning: this story contains disturbing content. In a heartbreaking incident from southern Thailand, a newborn baby was found deceased and partially eaten by monitor lizards after being abandoned near a pond. Local authorities are now investigating to find the child's mother. Monitor lizards are large, carnivorous reptiles common across Southeast Asia. They can grow over 2 meters long and are known scavengers, drawn to the smell of decay. Though typically shy, they may feed on vulnerable prey when desperate. This tragedy is a stark reminder of the dangers of abandonment and the fragile line between human life and the wild.